morning, Scots. I'm Ashira.
Happy Wednesday, I'm Hannah.
We only have 8 school days left till finals week.
Remember, Scots, if you need any help, ask your teachers.
Or go to tutoring after school at the library starting at 4 p.m. and ending at 5:30, or ask a classmate for some help.
Now, let's get into the announcements for today. Do you want to get into a wrestling match, soccer game, or basketball game for free?
Or a discount on your formal ticket?
Get your ASB sticker in the finance office for $25.
It is good for free entry to all current high school district sporting events and discounts to events on campus all school year.
Scots, if you plan on going to formal, you need to have your uniforms turned in and all debt paid.
Stop by the finance office to see what you owe before tickets go on sale.
Now we will be with one of our reporters with more information about winter formal.
Hello, Scots. I'm Silas Salva. Winter Formal will be happening January 13th from 7:30 to 10:30 p.m. The theme will be Old Hollywood. December 11th through December 15th, we will be having a flash sale. $50 with your ASB sticker and $55 without. Tickets will all be non-refundable. All student debt must be cleared to purchase a ticket. Non-Highland guests must have a permission slip available in the activities office signed by the dean's office prior to the purchasing. Get your tickets ASAP, Scots.
Hi, I'm Corey, and we have some breaking news information here for students at Highland. Saturday school is happening December 9th and December 16th. Students could study for upcoming finals, students can make up work, and most importantly, students will be able to clear one full day of absence. If you're interested in Saturday school, ask your teachers about it.
Thank you for the details.
Now we have a new show called The Important Question.
Take it away, Corey.
Hello, I'm your host, Corey Carry-On. Today is episode 1 of The Important Question. Today's question is Xbox or PlayStation? Hi, I'm here with
Danny.
I'm here with
Nick.
Hi, I'm here with
Jordan Brown.
Hi, I'm here with
Audrey.
Hi, I'm here with
Dania.
Hi, I'm here with
Damien.
Do you prefer Xbox or PlayStation?
Xbox.
Thank you. Do you prefer Xbox or PlayStation?
I prefer an Xbox.
Thank you. Do you prefer Xbox or PlayStation?
PlayStation.
Thank you. Do you prefer Xbox or PlayStation?
Me personally, I prefer PlayStation. Xbox.
Well, thank you. Do you prefer Xbox or PlayStation?
I'm a PC girl. I love PC gaming, so.
Well, thank you. Do you prefer Xbox or PlayStation?
PlayStation.
Thank you. There you guys have it. As you can see, the Scots prefer Xbox more than PlayStation.
Thank you for that segment.
Now we have the weather report.
For the next few days for you guys, so listen up. Wednesday, we will have a high of 75 and a low of 42.
Thursday, we will have a high of 58 and a low of 41.
Friday, we will have a high of 56 and a low of 41.
Now we are going with our sports team.
What's going on, Scots? It's time for sports. I'm your host, Julian Medina.
And I'm Peter Parra.
Let's get on with the sports announcements.
First, the varsity girls soccer team won the Lemoore tournament this past weekend, beating 4 teams.
Second, varsity girl wrestler Brianna Alvaro won her weight class in the RM Park Ladies Invitational.
Third, the girls basketball team plays Wasco in the gym tonight, starting at 5:15 p.m. Go Scots.
Let's
go
back
with
our host.
That's it for today.
And remember to
Plat up.